Hey gang, it's me, DenaliDownSouth. Hey, just out here for a real quick hike on my way home from a volunteer project. So I decided, hey, there's a bunch of trails out here. I'm gonna knock one out real fast. This one's just less than a mile. It's at a state park. And there's a whole bunch of different trails out here. You know, some under a mile, some, almost up to 10 miles. And I decided, you know what? I've got just a couple minutes. I'm gonna knock this one out real fast. So decided to do this one real fast. So yeah, just knocking this out real quick on a wonderful day. Don't have a lot of time to spend out here, or else I do a much longer trail. So we can go ahead and just take care of this piece of business real quick. Today's carry, the old hickory butcher knife that's commonly used for, bushcraft and camping purposes now. They got a updated model out, of course, that a lot of people in the knife world know about, that they've kind of updated and designed for bushcraft and camping, since a lot of people were using this one for it and modifying for it. I still haven't got my hands on one yet as of recording this video, so that's why I'm not using that one. It's just because I've got this classic one in a K-bar sheath, leather K-bar sheath, that works just fine for it. Don't have my selfie stick tripod with me. I forgot to bring it today. So this is a lovely little trail. So, how much water do you think is too much for a haversack or a satchel? I've been trying to carry a 64-ounce clean canteen in my haversack by the Hidden Woodsman, and of course it takes up a lot of room, and it's also heavy. I'm thinking that might be too much. I think I might, go back down to a 40-ounce again. 40-ounce clean canteen, or maybe a 40-ounce Keef titanium. There's the weight savings of titanium over stainless steel. I mean, it's a little bit, but that's not that important to me between those two, in these terms at least. The weight savings of those 24 ounces of water, that's kind of a bigger deal. So what do you all think? Is 64 ounces too much for a haversack? I'm kind of thinking so. Again, because it's a lot of room and a lot of weight. There we go, up. So I had a fun day volunteering at this Abbey, like an actual abbey, like monastery with, like, you know, monks and robes and stuff. Did some volunteer work out there. I didn't even know we had an abbey in this area till like a year ago. So I put in some volunteer hours there this morning, cleaning up their grounds. So that's kind of fun. Already kind of tired for the day though. That's probably another reason why I'm doing a shorter hike. But hey, I'm still getting out, getting exercise, getting that fresh air. Oh no. And I just realized I left my wallet on the seat of my car at the trailhead. Yikes. That's not good, Denali. Should be okay though. There's no other cars there. And the road was lightly traveled. Yeah, the Abbey was super cool though. I mean, not only was it, you know, ginormous, the grounds were ginormous. It was, I think I was told 1,000 acres, the grounds. But I lost my train of thought. But it's just cool to know we have an Abbey here in the area. Look. Deer tracks. It's cool to know we have an Abbey. Oh yeah, I was out in the middle of nowhere, and it was, you know, a beautiful drive to get out there, and beautiful piece of property. You know, way out in the middle of nowhere. Of course, you know, highway for a while. Get off the highway, go onto a 2-lane road, and go into a dirt road, and start going up in these hills on a dirt road. Then you actually turn onto the monastery's property, or sorry, the Abbey's property, and you're driving on more dirt road. This windy, even worse dirt road, and then you finally get to the monastery itself, and it's just beautiful, and the grounds are beautiful. It's cool. Yeah, our cleanup work was just designated, I guess, along the fence line. We were, of course, one of the fence lines. I don't know, I guess they had some field that was fenced off for, I don't know what they're going to be doing there. And they had pine trees along the fence line that were planted a few years ago, and our job was to clear out along the fence line around the pine trees that have been planted. Any, growth for stuff that have been growing there, like any I don't know, like vines and other plants that they're trying to get in the space that's kind of designated for where those pine trees are supposed to be growing up at. So that's what we were doing, cleaning up along some pasture's fence line, I guess. Pasture as in field, not pasture as in religious authority. Oh wow, look at that growth. Alright, good news. I can see my car. It doesn't look like it has the windows busted out. That's good news. Well, alright. It's all just short hike and short video. So y'all have a good one, and remember to get outside, enjoy nature, enjoy life. Take it easy. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.